Hashtag Contest Gallery template allows you to display hashtag feed entries in a gallery, giving you the ability to moderate the entries that are displayed as well as enable voting. Before setting up this template, set up a feed by clicking Hashtag Feed at the top of the dashboard. When the template opens in the builder, either turn Edit on to edit each widget right here in the preview area, or leave Edit off and edit widgets here in the Edit Widgets panel. Start by editing this logo and these icons. They're being displayed by this navbar widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the logo. Click the trash can icon to delete the image that's currently there, and the plus sign to open the Media Manager. When the Media Manager opens, select your new image. If you like, update the URL it links to as well. Edit each of these icons to update the URL they link to, or delete them. To edit this text, edit the rich text widget called Headline. Edit the body text. Edit the gallery text. The gallery of entries is displayed by this Entry Display widget. Click the pencil icon to open it. Where it says Show Entries From, click here to select the feed you just set up or any feed from your list. Under Filtering, you can select whether or not you'd like to include or not include unapproved entries. Entries can be approved in the Entries Manager. Under Fields, select which data you'd like to display with each entry. Click Voting if you'd like to enable voting. Indicate if you'd like to set a start and end date for your voting period. And then edit the voting restrictions under Restrictions. Lastly, add some official rules to this rich text widget. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. Start by choosing a new theme. To replace this background image, select the container displaying that background and edit it here. Finish styling your campaign. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Campaign and follow the prompts. As an option, customize the URL. Your landing page is live at this URL.